it's your girl Layla Mon'e. It's Layla Mon'e gang. Layla Mon'e gang. What they do? Layla Mon'e gang. Layla Mon'e gang. Y'all, oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, we are finna prank my big brother, y'all. We're finna prank my brother, so I gotta pick him up for work. We finna get him, y'all. So basically, we finna run to Dollar Tree right quick, and we finna get a poster, and then we gonna write on it Honk or something. And we basically, hopefully the cars that's, you know, behind us and stuff. Yeah, cause this gonna be an L prank if it. But we're gonna get him, y'all. Like, he not gonna know. Hopefully everything goes smooth, everything go right. But oh, that's so funny. Make sure that y'all like this video, comment on the video, subscribe, and DM me pranks, videos, ideas. DM me all videos, and I got y'all. But we gonna get him. How many likes should this get?
Let's do 50 likes, y'all.
50 likes. 50 likes. Let's get this video to 50 likes, and I'm gonna drop another banger for you guys. But okay, see y'all at Dollar Tree. Okay, y'all, so we freaking in a store. Here go the buses right here, y'all. I got a bus right here. Hopefully y'all seen that. But okay, we finna get him. We finna get him. We should get a bright, not a black, a white one. Just get a white one. Yeah. Just get a white one. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, you gotta hold it.
Which one?
A really dark one so they can see it. We just need one big marker. We just need, what's the cheapest one? We don't even need all that. Okay, we got the marker. We got the, oh, we gonna get him so good. Tape. They'll tape more you don't. Is that gonna stay?
It don't matter to me.
Cause not no little paper tape, cause I feel like that's gonna come off. Oh no. I got a question. Excuse me. Okay, so we finna do a prank on my brother. You know them pranks where like they be having like the little post on the back of the car telling people to honk and stuff? You think this tape would be good for what tape you think we should use for that?
Probably that tape or the painter tape.
What tape is that?
The painter tape.
Yeah, this probably would be.
Or probably even duct tape.
Duct tape?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think this, you sure this duct tape, you think this duct tape gonna stay? We're gonna have to put it all over.
This is duct tape.
Yeah, but you think the duct tape gonna stay?
Yeah. It's duct tape.
Okay. I'm gonna just put a whole bunch of tape on it so it don't, cause my brother drive fast. I don't want it to fly off on the highway or nothing. Yeah, we gonna get back to y'all when we get back in the car. Bye guys. Okay y'all, so we're in the car. We freaking got it, y'all. We freaking got it, but what we gonna put on it? Y'all, this supposed to, she's finna write because
Well, I don't know why she want me to write something.
cause I know I don't like my handwriting. But trying to get in there. I'm trying to get it done there.
I'm gonna play.
Okay, so is this the right way?
Yeah.
You sure?
Oh.
No, longer. Tanya, come on, ain't nobody playing. Longer, it gotta be really big, Tanya, like super big.
Like right here.
Yo, wait, go. Tanya, I'm gonna mess it up, girl. Go O.
Okay. You need an O.
I need a really big O, not no small. Come on, Tanya, I'm not playing. Come on, girl.
Oh my god.
Bruh.
Okay.
Really big, like big. All right. Come on, girl. Really big. Okay.
Okay. Oh snap! I messed the K up. The K is so small compared to the other ones.
Honk, if you reading this.
Girl, your shit small as fuck.
They gonna read this.
You should. You better not be doing it.
Girl, this look. Y'all telling me.
You
Bro.
got to my face.
This look as if you wrote it, girl.
Why did you put reading right here? Hold on.
Just put a D and put a little dash. Girl, you know.
I'm weak. Hold on.
Yeah.
How many?
Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah. I can't write big, y'all, so don't judge. just be funny. Like, it's so funny. It's a joke, so.
Yeah, okay, so this is the poster, y'all. It says, Honk if you reading this. Hold on, let me put the flashlight so y'all can see it better. Okay. Honk if you reading this. Now we're gonna have to put all tape on the back of it because we cannot.
I think I want to put the tape on right now, but don't put it on your car. Just put it in the back and then set it in the back like this. Much better.
He get off at 7, y'all, and it's freaking.
How we gonna have time to put this on there though?
We finna do it now. Cause when we get there, he gonna be ready. He gonna come out.
Yeah, I know. So we gotta put it on now.
No, they ain't finna be hanging at us. They ain't finna be. We
Well,
just
we can see though.
Okay.
If people actually go.
Hey, how you open? Where to open the thing? So we need to put it all over, like.
Oh shit.
Kanye, she. What the heck?
Oh my god. That was bad. Okay.
What? Yeah. Kanye. And I said put it everywhere because then, like if one tape fall off, it's still connected.
Duh. That's me, or is it you?
I don't know. And I also need to get some gas too before I pick him up. So he cause if I get some gas after I pick him up, then
He don't like see, cause he might be the one pumping
Yeah.
gas, y'all, so he might need somebody to do it.
yeah, we can't. He cannot see the back of this car, y'all.
That's why. Oh shit! All right, let's.
Yeah. Damn.
That's
Damn.
good. Y'all, she's playing, and we need to hurry up. So this nigga give me it be
Okay, well you do this, and then I finna.
yeah.
Y'all.
You go to the gas station.
Yeah. I finna go to the gas station. I'm gonna get to y'all when we like put it on the car and stuff like that. Okay. Like this video. Okay, y'all. Okay.
Oh yeah. You gotta.
Okay, so we put the tape on it. I really hope this do not. Come on. I really hope that this do not like this do not come off. We're gonna have to put it like. Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna have to put it like right there. I'm gonna block out my license plate because y'all could not see that. But man, yeah, rub it all right there. Yo, Honk if you. Okay, what that say? Honk if you reading this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yo, we gonna get him.
We're getting late to pick him up though.
We gonna get him. Yes, like keep rubbing it, bro.
I'm not gonna get him though.
Oh my bad. I'm sorry. My brother drive really fast.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Oh yeah, give me the evidence. Oh, we finna go get him, y'all. Let me take my hazards off. We finna go get him, so okay. Here we go. Okay, y'all, so I'm in the car with my brother. And basically, y'all, we finna go to the mall. We're finna go to the mall or whatever. We finna go to the mall or whatever. And so I'm finna just vlog y'all, and we finna what video we doing at the mall?
Truth or dare.
We're doing a truth or dare. Are you in it too? Yeah, you in it, you gotta do it. Extreme truth or dare.
You got me all in that bitch.
Extreme truth or dare, y'all. That's what we gonna do.
Oh, crazy.
Yeah. So.
What they hung at me for? They the motherfuckers going 90 miles per hour. They need to slow the fuck down. Don't worry about that slow ass SUV.
That's hella funny.
What the fuck they hungry for? They has no attention.
Good. Good. That's hella funny. Trey, listen, come on. Listen, they arguing. They arguing. Damn. Trey, you missed it. He said something about drug addiction. You hear that?
Shit. Damn it.
Good.
Yeah, white people.
So we're at the mall, y'all. It's giving. Come on, bro. Why do freaking malls close early? Dang, like, what's up, y'all? It's your girl. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Layla Mon'e. It's Layla Mon'e gang. Layla Mon'e gang. What do you do? We supposed to do a little video, but there's not that many people at this mall, and it's closed down. We need to go before. Yeah, Trey can't drive, right?
Who can't drive?
Trey can't drive because he got people honking at him.
You got beef. What are you talking about? I'm being an upright citizen. If bitch ass nigga wanna honk at me. I'm going 95 miles per hour on the freeway. Slow your
Good, y'all. I was gonna say, why is our lights on? You must have pressed that button. Somebody tell me you're beautiful.
They lied.
Oh, you an L brother, bro. L brother. They lied. I need a car.
Oh,
thing.
God.
You don't even know what I'm finna say.
Shade.
Yeah, I was like, oh God.
That shit popping off.
No, I need a car tripod, so I ain't gotta hold my camera. I can just send my camera right here. You feel me? You feel me? Professional YouTuber stuff. You feel me? Young boy over there.
What?
Now this question, a lot of fans gonna get on you if you choose the wrong one.
Alright.
And you know who they gonna choose.
I already know who they is because they dick riders. Continue.
Young boy, a litter.
I don't fuck with them. But I listen to Dirt. Fuck young boy. Dick riding ass niggas. All he do is scream with the mic. I don't want to hear that bullshit.
Oh!
I said what I said.
Oh, young boy fans finna come for you, bro.
Care. Them niggas is dick suckers at its finest.
Young boy fans finna come for you.
This music is not that good. I don't even fuck with Dirt shit like that, but I listen to him before. I listen to Dirt before I listen to Young Boy.
Trey, you speeding but going nowhere.
Oh God, it just made noise. Alright, because now I heard it. And what's up? Because I'll pull up. Why is everybody honking at me, bro? Like a nigga going slow. Bitch, I'm going 65. Fuck is you talking about?
They looked at your ass. No, they looking at your ass.
Yeah, hey, what's up? Yeah, take your ass to Memphis.
Why they looking at you?
Why I can't hear nobody?
Man, your ass, Niggas gonna make me pull over.
He had my 2 cars. Look at him, cuz.
Motherfuckers tweaking. I ain't even did.
And they was looking at him.
They look and keep going. You ain't gonna do shit.
You like, God.
Nah, these motherfuckers tweaking.
Trey.
I'm driving normal. Fuck you want me to do? That's why I don't like niggas. That's it. I'm done. Let's go. Let's go.
Stop, Jay! Stop speeding! Stop speeding! Stop speeding! Stop speeding!
Come on.
Alright. Slow down!
Catch it.
Slow down!
I can show you how to drive, motherfucker.
Slow down! Trey, slow down!
I can show you how to drive.
Okay, y'all. Stop. He going hella fast.
Yeah, your ass stuck. You don't know how to drive. Next.
Trey, this is unacceptable. Alright. They didn't mean it. They didn't mean it.
Now you finna pull up. What? Look at this little slow ass. Go. That little slow ass. Nigga.
Why did you that speed?
Toast your ass up.
You got mad because they was honking at you.
Look at his slow ass.
You got mad because they was honking at you.
This is stupid ass, bro. Yo, finna miss your exit trying to real nigga behind the wheel. You fucking playing with me, bro.
Okay.
I ain't even speeding no more. I'm cruising in this.
They cool. They ain't mean it. They ain't mean it.
Look at that.
Bro, that had 3 cars honking him tonight.
Niggas out here. He couldn't even catch up with me. Still.
Bro,
bitch.
what is going on?
Niggas is
Why do you got me?
I said young boy was ass and his fans hurt me. That's what that was.
God.
Big sucking.
Hey, this video turned out funny as a mug, cuz.
Fuck these people.
W cars, bro.
Nah. These niggas on drugs.
Whew.
I don't even know how fast I was going.
He just started speeding, cuz.
That slow ass tried to catch up. Couldn't even catch him.
I kept saying slow down. You speed because you got mad because they was honking.
And I swerved through all them niggas. Fuck is you talking about?
God.
I does this. I used to race.
Dude, that's hecka funny. Y'all gotta like this video up, cuz. That's hecka funny, bro. I'm not finna play. Bro, ain't never had people honking. I don't know what you doing.
I don't know what for now, bro.
Your ass cannot drive today. You tweaking.
Nigga.
Because the first car, I was like, okay, maybe he's doing it to somebody else, but he was behind you. But I was like, okay. Then the second car, they drove past. They drove past and looked at you, bro.
I'm dead ass driving. Niggas is just honking for no fucking reason. It's not like I'm drifting in your lane. I'm not. I'm right fucking here, bro. What are you honking at me for? They just wanted to start problems. That's all it is. It's because I said that about young boy, man.
Right, soon as he started talking smack about young boy.
See, niggas just come out of here with negative energy.
Bro.
Young boy effect, man. This kid is crazy. The fuck you honking for? The fucking light is red. Like, bro, what did I doing? Shut your ass up, bro. The light red. Where am I gonna go? Where am I going? I'm going to sleep. Cause niggas is pissing me off. That's just fucking stupid.
Bro, why is these cars?
At a red light, niggas getting hit with negativity. Like, bro, I'm done. I'm fucking done, bro.
Bro.
That's not how you turn, nigga.
Hey, wow. Turning all wild and
You
stuff.
want to speed up that slow ass piece of shit? Make that big ass turn like you in a fucking semi. What are you doing? Niggas irritate me.
Irritating y'all.
They pissing me off.
People keep honking at
For
me.
no fucking reason.
Bro, this is the funniest stuff, cuz. Alright, bro, you gotta watch on Limber. They police be hiding, bro.
I'm only going 40.
This
Forgot what car we in? This bitch ain't going nowhere.
This is embarrassing.
Oh, this shit is stupid. Dead ass honked at me at a fucking red light. Like, bro. That is proof I'm not doing shit.
They trying to tell you to hurry up.
I don't control the light.
They got places to be.
That shit is on a timer. That's Corvette. That bitch nice.
Don't turn on Patterson. Keep going.
Keep straight.
Yeah, this is crazy. Bro ain't never had this many people knocking.
Like, they're dick riding, bro. They're NBA YoungBoy fans.
Bro.
You can't tell me nothing else. I was gonna do it, but I don't even care.
Yeah, bro, that got irritated. Like,
damn, what I do? They honked at me? Bro, step the car, nigga. Step out the car. Step out the car. You fat white. I'm tired of niggas, bro. Niggas is bro. Look at that fat ass. That beat up ass. Step out the fucking vehicle. 2023. E for everyone. I'm smacking. I don't care. I don't care, bro.
why
Niggas
is
is getting
these
on my
cars
nerves.
honking at Trigger? This is crazy.
This is why I don't drive like a billion, bro. Cause shit like this happen. NPC ass characters, bro. These niggas is getting on my nerves. They dead ass.
You done had like 5 cars honk at you, bro.
For no fucking reason. They just mad. Just doing stupid shit.
Bro.
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 I ain't driving no more.
Why you out the window?
Sick of this shit.
Bro. I am dying.
Taking my ass to sleep.
Bro, he can. Bro, they get.
Nigga can't win for shit. Like, why?
Yeah.
Niggas is getting on my nerves, bro.
Go.
I'm wrong if I just step out the whip.
Bro, these cars are making this video so funny
Start
because this is
throwing
gonna
shit
be
at me.
boring as hell. I was too mad. Bro, they stay honking at
For
y'all.
no fucking reason. Niggas just living his best life. Shit's ridiculous. I'm about to start throwing shit out the window. I'm wrong.
Bro, bro. Bro.
He's like, why are you on my move?
Go.
Niggas is irritating.
I am freaking dead, y'all. When I tell y'all this dude that has so many cars honking at him tonight.
Just for driving like a normal nigga.
Obviously, they say you can't drive, bro.
No, they're dick eating.
They say you can't drive, bro.
I'm driving normal. Like at one point in time, did I fucking swerve?
Bro. They got to.
I'm driving normal at reasonable speeds. Niggas is honking, bro. Get off my dick. I
Bro.
don't care.
But yeah, make sure you get this video to 50 likes. Share this video, y'all. Share this video. And yeah, you feel me? You feel me? Why the heck is they? I'm finna tell them, y'all.
You gotta be at work tomorrow.
Bro, this why they honking, cuz.
Oh, you a bitch ass nigga.
God.
Fuck you up. This is like the dumbest bitch ass friend in my fucking life, bro.
Oh, we got him,
I'm not driving no more. Fuck you, bitch.
Wait, hold the post up.
I'm not holding shit. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep.
Hold the fuck, come on. Hold it up for my camera now, bro. For the one time, bro. Come on, girl. Come on. Wait, I gotta get a thumbnail. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. You gotta stay right here. You gotta... Come on. Look, no, please. Hold it. Hold it up, bro. Hold it up, bro.
Nah, you're.
Look, come on. I gotta get a thumbnail. Come on. Look, you gotta look at it. Look at it.
Fuck the camera. I don't care. Fuck these cameras.
I got him so good, y'all. He was mad. Oh, bro. He just threw that. It's okay, bro. It's okay. Go to Go.
They think this crap funny, bro. It's honking at me for no reason. We got this on the back of the video.
She got you.
There's nothing funny about that.
Bro, we got him.
She got you.
I'm driving north.
Everybody was honking at him. I put honk if you reading this, y'all. I got him good, y'all.
I'm just driving north.
He was mad. You should have put honk. This is the first prank I did.
Acting like I'm swerving.
What y'all get for trusting her?
I'm checking the vehicle every time.
Bro, I thought I'm checking the vehicle. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all so much. And yeah.